So in my last video, as part of the library project, I took this card catalog box and turned it into an end table for my wingback chair. And see, that really only solved part of the problem. See, I wanted, like I said, a table to go with the wingback chair, but I have two. I have two wingback chairs, and I want to put another table next to that wingback chair, and I have the perfect box, toolbox actually, to turn into another end table. And that's what we're going to get to today. So the second table is done. I think it accomplished the goal. In fact, I think I like this one a little better than the card catalog table. I like the brass ends, especially all polished up. I know some of you probably cringed at the loss of the patina. I tried to keep some of it while also giving it a little more polish and shine. And I'm actually quite happy with it, so I think it's good. It's a little less accessible as a table because you have to have nothing on top to be able to access the inside. I'm still not sure what I'm going to put in this altogether. I do have my Brodart plastic sleeves that I keep in here for covering dust jackets. Right now, I might put, I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but it gives me a table. I can put a drink, or I can put the book on the side table while I'm sitting in the chair, and it's functional. It's about the right size, works out great. So thanks for following along with me on this for the box cleaning, restoration, and adding on these legs to turn this toolbox, vintage toolbox, into a table. And as always, look for opportunities to give those old things a new life. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.